Every mass defect in the universe is converted into ether. That means every active star, every neutron circulations, every black hole merges, every supernova explosions release an enormous amount of ether to space. Consider about our galaxy. Our galaxy consists of around 300 billion stars. Each star releases an enormous amount of ether to space. This creates a pressure gradient around each star. This acts against the attraction between the stars. So there is a tendency to the distance to increase between each star. If you apply this principle across the universe, each galaxy collectively release an enormous amount of ether to space. So this ether acts against the attraction between each galaxy. This can explain the phenomena of expanding universe and dark energy.